Fellow Zimbabweans, fraternal greetings from me and the People's Party of Excellence. As you may be aware, over the past 2 weeks, I've traveled around the country meeting community and opinion leaders, civil society leaders, war veterans, traditional leaders, farmers, youth and women groups. I also had the opportunity to meet with our leadership structures in the party. The enthusiasm is so huge. In certain provinces, I had to ask our organizing department to ask ordinary people who wanted to be part of the meetings to be turned away on account of the fact that the meetings we were having were leadership representatives meetings at local level, leadership level. I listened to their passionate desires and their cherished will and wish for our beloved country. As a leadership, we also took the opportunity to share our Agenda 2020 program, which is the program of action for our year 2020. As we have already indicated, this year is the year of action. Action in communities, action in the various local areas, but also action nationally, coordinated by various players and actors, ourselves being the core of the players. It was this whirlwind tour of our provinces in the country that brought us to various provinces, in particular Harare, at MRT House, Chinhoyi, in Mashonaland West, Marondera,